the people who are here. Hello, Upline Steven. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Upline Marge Harry Teen. She has a testimony here in our group chat. Did you read? My brother was COVID positive, fully recovered within 8 days.
Yes, power.
Upline Marge, what variant did he drink?
Actually, this is upline teen. My brother did took first Vitaplus Titanium Forte. So he was diagnosed with COVID positive after he did the swab test. But when I heard that he has the symptoms right away, I decided to give him first Vitaplus because he's in Novaliches. I mean here in Pangasinan. So the good thing with First Vitaplus is we have a very dedicated and our uplines have a good heart. So even if I'm here in Pangasinan, they were able to bridge it to make sure that my brother will have products that he can take it immediately because I am so worried that by that time that I've heard that he talked to me that he's experiencing high fever with palpitations and difficulty of breathing, and also he can no longer taste his food and smell. So I think that he was positive even though he was not able to do some swab tests. So I talked to my uplines, asked them if there's a way that they can bring the product to my brother, and thank God they were able to send First Vitaplus Titanium. First, he only drinks 7 sachets, the Landan Forte, and then 7 sachets of First Vitaplus Titanium Forte sponsored by my upline because the only thing that I can purchase is a regular Dalandan. But since my upline has a good heart, so she actually gave us free 7 Titanium Forte because she knows that Titanium Forte is the one that can give cure to COVID. So I decided, or I asked my brother to drink it right away, mega dose as what we call. So I asked my brother to drink 5 sachets from the time that he received the Titanium Forte, and then followed by standard Dalandan. And we actually drink Moringa oil also. So I decided to ask him to drink 1 tablespoon of Moringa oil 3 times a day together with First Vitaplus Titanium because I already experienced how Moringa oil is good when it comes to phlegm. So after 5 days of drinking First Vitaplus, he no longer have fever. The what do you call that? The fever gone out. His smell and his taste went back. And then right after that, he did a swab test. On the swab test, it was positive, but he doesn't have any symptoms at all. Now he is already back at work. So he finished his 14-day quarantine. He was not able to be admitted to the hospital since when he was taken the swab test, he doesn't have any symptoms at all. So that's how First Vitaplus really helps our immune system to fight COVID. And even I myself, I am a stroke survivor, and I am a candidate for heart transplant. By taking First Vitaplus every day for a year, I withdraw all my 9 maintenance medicine. Those maintenance medicines are for a lifetime. But now because of Vitaplus, I am free from those maintenance medicines and I'm not a candidate for heart transplant anymore. So that's how powerful the product is. Yeah, I'm just so excited to share it.
Thank you, Upline Tin. I'm so very happy about your brother and also about your testimony. That's why we are very blessed. We have First Vitaplus, right? Yeah.
Blessing. Such a blessing. Thank you for letting me share this because I really wanted to talk about it. I really wanted to share it. Especially right now, I'm also taking good care of a diabetic patient. We have a friend. I even asked Dr. Richard Custodio about it because he has a foot gangrene. And they decided that it should have been amputated. But thank God, right now, the wounds are healing with the power of God, especially God, because we are also praying every day that God used the First Vitaplus to completely heal him. And then we use First Vita Plus, Titanium Forte Plus, Guyabano Gold, and we use Moringa oil on massage his feet with Moringa oil. And right now, the good thing is the patient is no longer needed for dialysis. The patient no longer needed for insulin. And the good thing is his feet is still there. It was supposed to be amputated last July 26, but right now the patient can stand, the patient can walk. The patient really wanted to walk outside the door, but I'm not insisting him to do that. So because the wounds are still there, we are still in the process of healing. But the good thing is we are on the 46th day of drinking a First Vita Plus product and placing Moringa oil on the wounds. It's 46 days, but it's completely healing.
Yeah.
So that's how First Vita Plus is a very, very, very good. It's such a wonderful blessing.
Thank you. That's what makes our business fulfilling, because along the way, we meet a lot of patients who need the product. And when you see them getting well, it's like you won the jackpot, right?
Definitely, yes.
Yeah. So that's double fulfillment for all of us. Thank you, Upline Tin, for sharing your story.
Thank you, Ma'am Desiree.
Upline Anne, is your upline Anne?
My upline is upline Glenda Arendela.
Okay. Si upline Glenda.
Our share blessing.
Power. Okay. So upline Anne, thank you for joining also. Upline Tin, thank you for your testimony. Na-inspire mo kami. Doc Harry Tanchanco is also here with us. Thank you, Doc H. Salamat. The center owner for San Diego Product Center is also with us, Ma'am Mary Ann Isidro. So I would like to take this opportunity to invite everyone to our US BDF every Sunday at 9 a.m. Okay, so if anybody's interested to join that one, you have family or friends in the US or Canada, you can PM me, you can send me a message. I will give you the Zoom meeting ID because it's a different one. This is under Nancy Bondoc, under Ma'am Nancy. Okay, so thank you, Sir Angelo. Thank you, Ma'am Jeanette. Upline Aura is also here, one of the official speakers of First Vita Plus. Thank you, Upline Al, for joining. Upline Darwin. Upline Baby, Upline Felicita, Mabini, Upline Baby, thank you for joining. Upline Ems, Ortiza, Unity, Eagles Teen, Hong Kong is here. So thank you for joining Upline. Upline Gani Tipay of Flying Eagles, thank you. Upline Jeanette, Upline... Okay, it's done. So are there any questions? Anybody wants to share? Sharing is caring. So if you want to share your Vita testimony, you are very, very welcome.
Can you share one more?
Yes, of course.
You know, Harry is a Down syndrome kid. And he is also a dengue survivor. So that's the reason why we were able to know Vita Plus, because of him. So after his second dengue, it was very severe. He was got ICU by that time. He was already 50-50, but his recovery was very, very good because of First Vita Plus. The thing that I was able to discover is Vita Plus has made a very major difference on his mental development, because he is a special child with a Down syndrome. So his mental capability is not the usual capability that we have. But the thing is, for 2 years now, God is so good. His immune system is really boosted because of First Vita Plus. Before First Vita Plus, every year we were always at the hospital because simple flu or cold will give him pneumonia. That's 3 times to 4 times every year, taking a lot of antibiotics, taking a lot of over-the-counter medicines, and even going inside or be admitted in the hospital because of the pneumonia. But because of the First Vita Plus, because we're drinking it every day, for almost 2 years, grabe talaga, never na kami naka-encounter ng flu sa kanya. And that's a very sobrang miracle, kasi ang paliwanag sa akin ng doctor when he was got admitted sa ICU because of the dengue is because of his condition as a special child, even if you boost his immune system